From zero to hero, building a thriving agency and unleashing your potential. The incredible journey of agency ownership, exploring the highs, lows, and the secrets to success. Whether you're dreaming of hitting your first 10K month or scaling to new heights, this video is your guide. But before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Now, let's dive in. Documenting the journey. Experience a captivating voyage through an individual's personal narrative, starting with the submission of mediocre proposals and culminating in the attainment of an impressive 100K monthly income within their agency. This narrative unfolds as a roller coaster ride of highs and lows, eventually sparking the creation of the Agency Navigator program. Across the globe, this program has become a guiding force, empowering thousands to kickstart their endeavors from scratch and soar to a monthly income of 10K. The tangible proof of success resides in the meticulous documentation of every step taken throughout this transformative journey. In the initial stages, the journey began with the humbling task of crafting average proposals. However, the twists and turns of this adventure led to a significant milestone, a whopping 100K monthly in the agency. This remarkable achievement served as the catalyst for the birth of the Agency Navigator program, designed to extend its transformative effects worldwide. Thousands have embraced this program, commencing their entrepreneurial journeys from ground zero and quickly ascending to a coveted 10K monthly income. Delve into the intricacies of this personal odyssey, where the narrative unfolds from the realm of lackluster proposals to the pinnacle of a staggering 100K monthly revenue within the agency. The roller coaster of experiences encountered along the way laid the foundation for the creation of the globally impactful Agency Navigator program. This program has evolved into a beacon of empowerment, enabling individuals worldwide to initiate their ventures from the very beginning and propel themselves to a remarkable 10K monthly income. The journey's authenticity is etched into the detailed documentation of every step taken. The power of agencies beyond content creation. Originating from a content creation agency, the journey unfolds into a spectrum of possibilities, from orchestrating sales teams to pioneering distinctive services like the management of dating profiles. Agencies hold the potential to flourish across various niches. Anticipate a comprehensive showcase of the Agency Navigator program, addressing all inquiries about the inception and expansion of an agency. Commencing in a content creation agency was merely the starting point for this journey, revealing the endless prospects within the agency domain. Whether it involves spearheading sales teams or introducing unique services like the oversight of dating profiles, agencies exhibit the capacity to thrive in diverse niches. Witness a special presentation of the Agency Navigator program, where insights into launching and growing an agency are shared and questions are addressed. Starting from the roots of a content creation agency, the trajectory of possibilities expands widely, from steering sales teams to providing unique services, such as the management of dating profiles. Agencies showcase their potential across various niches. Brace for an exclusive demonstration of the Agency Navigator program, a detailed guide offering answers to inquiries about commencing and scaling an agency. Before we move on to the next segment, it's time to join the subscribe squad. Hit that like button and stay tuned for awesome content. The art of getting paid. Invoices and client communication. Explore the key tactics of achieving swift payment as I provide valuable insights into the intricacies of sending invoices and clarifying the payment process with clients. This journey will delve into the delicate equilibrium between satisfying clients and maximizing agency profitability, ensuring a streamlined financial flow for your business. Together, we'll unravel the secrets that contribute to the timely compensation your agency rightfully deserves. delve into the intricacies of prompt payment strategies as I share insights on the effective methods of sending invoices and articulating the payment process to clients. Balancing the satisfaction of clients with the profitability of your agency is a nuanced art, and we'll navigate this terrain together to establish a seamless financial flow for your business. Join this exploration to acquire the knowledge and skills needed to foster a timely and efficient compensation system for your agency. Join me in unlocking the secrets to prompt payment as we delve into the art of sending invoices and elucidating the payment process to clients. Navigate the delicate equilibrium between client satisfaction and agency profitability is essential for maintaining a smooth financial flow for your business. In this journey, we'll uncover the strategies that ensure your agency receives timely compensation, fostering a financially sustainable and thriving enterprise. Unconventional services and finding your niche. Explore the vast landscape of agency services, from social media marketing to unexpected niches like OnlyFans management. Learn the art of identifying your archetypal client and delivering services that set you apart in the competitive agency world. Lead generation and client acquisition. Unlock the strategies for finding clients as we delve into lead generation techniques. Whether it's Facebook ads, Instagram outreach, or tapping into niche brands, I'll guide you on effective client acquisition, even sharing a nifty trick to find those elusive client emails. Sales meetings. Navigating the pitch. Master the art of sales meetings as I break down fundamental sales principles. Learn what to say and how to present yourself to turn potential clients into paying customers. I'll share my personal experiences and valuable tips to ace your sales game. Overcoming self-limiting beliefs. Address the self-limiting beliefs that might be holding you back. Whether you're young or inexperienced, discover how agency ownership is within your reach. I'll debunk myths and inspire you to take that leap towards entrepreneurship. Delivering quality services. The agency owner's role. Understand your role as an agency owner in curating high-quality talent, ensuring tasks are completed to perfection, and maintaining a client-focused approach. Discover why clients choose agencies over contractors and how you can maximize profits while delivering top-notch services. Scaling your agency. A future outlook. Get ready for the future as we discuss scaling your agency beyond its current limits. Learn to adapt, stay updated, and keep your focus on the client. I'll share insights into why agencies remain relevant and indispensable in the business world. There you have it, the ultimate guide to building and scaling your agency. If you found value in this video, give it a thumbs up and remember to share it with fellow aspiring agency owners. Stay tuned for more content on entrepreneurship, success stories, and actionable tips. Until next time, embrace the journey, overcome challenges, and keep building towards your dreams. Once again, this is Ash Cash Tash. If you found these insights valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, and share this video. And for more engaging content on economics, business, and personal finance,